Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have three super cute Valentine's Day gift ideas for you guys. The first one is this beautiful flower bouquet. I'm starting with a gift box from the Dollar Tree and also the trifle container. I'm just going to be sticking that on top. I use glue dots, but you can use hot glue. I'm just going to remove the sticker. It's not really necessary, but I just decided to do it. Now I'm going to be adding some vinyl to the top and bottom because I want to cover up the circles and stars and stuff, and I also don't want the top to be too see-through, so I'm just going to cover that up. Once you get that all covered, we're going to take some double-sided tape or hot glue, it doesn't really matter, and we're going to just put it all around the inside of the top bowl. Next, you're going to take some tulle. I got mine from Hobby Lobby and it's about 2 yards. I folded it in half and we're putting it on top. You want to push it down into that tape so that it sticks into place. We're going to be doing a little tugging, so I'm going to put this glass bowl in just to keep it in place. Now we're going to tuck the tulle into the center of the two bowls. We're going to tie the tulle in place using a ribbon. I want an elongated bow, so I used a lot. Not quite sure how long it is, but just keep pulling until you feel like that's enough. Once the bow is tied, we're going to go ahead and flip the entire thing over, and we're just going to tuck the tulle into the bottom. I'm not pulling the tulle super tight because I want the bottom to bulge out a little bit. When you finish getting your tulle into place, you can go ahead and glue it down. Now we can remove that bowl, and this is how it should look. It looks so cute. Now for the top, we're starting with some floral foam. We're gonna start assembling our flowers. So I'm starting with this cute dollar bill rose that I made, and then these little flowers are from Hobby Lobby, one of my favorite stores.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today, make me wonder who you might.
It's looking so cute already, but I just want to add some gems to the bottom. So I got these from the Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna stick them on randomly, and that's it. DIY V-Day gift number 2 is the flower bear bouquet. Look at this, you guys. I got this clear container from the Dollar Tree, of course. I'm gonna hot glue around, and I'm gonna be adding a floral foam round on top. Once it's secure, we're gonna be adding some more glue just in the front so that we can stick on some more floral foam. This will be the base for our flower bear. So I started in the middle, and then now I'm just working the flowers in around. I got the flowers for the bear from Walmart.
You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe.
Once you have your flowers where you want them, you can add in the nose and the eyes.
Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl so funny to be. That's why you think I left but one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind.
And now we can start placing the rest of our flowers. These flowers are also from Walmart. Before you fill in the flowers completely, go ahead and add in your gifts. I added a bear, some candy, and a forever rose that I made. Now I can finish adding in the rest of the flowers.
So alone, no one's there. Should I move on?
Here's a little 360 for you guys so you can see how it's looking. And don't worry, we're gonna cover all that up in the back. For this next part, you're gonna need 2 pieces of the tissue paper from Dollar Tree. Lay them down on top of each other and then put your bear on top. And then we're gonna add some tape around the clear part and the floral foam round as well. Do your best to cover all the green with the tissue paper, but if you can't, just add in more flowers. And of course, to finish it off, we're gonna tie a nice cute bow. That was super quick, super easy, so let's move on to the next DIY. DIY Vday gift number 3 is the explosion box surprise. I'm starting with the biggest box. I got it from Walmart. I'm just cutting the 4 corners. Once all 4 corners are cut, I'm gonna flatten it out and add the second box on top. And I'm gonna cut those corners as well. I wasn't really feeling the white, so I decided to add in some cute Valentine's Day paper. And for this section, I decided to do butterflies with 2 heart-shaped dollar bills and a Twix bar. That section is done for now. Now I'm going to close it up so I can work on the bigger one. I'm adding cute paper to this one as well. And now that that's done, I'm going to add as much candy as I can to each section. I didn't like the empty space right there, so I'm adding in some Dollar Tree bows. And now we're gonna work on the inside of this box. I made this cute pop-up box to go in the center. I thought it would pop up in the box, but it didn't, so I just had to pull it up. And I did record a video making this box, so be sure to check that out too. And that's it. That's the 3 DIYs that I have for you guys. They were all so easy to make. I hope you guys try it. And if you do, please let me know. I will put you on my Instagram page. I just want to take the time to say thank you to all my subscribers. And if you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that button. I have so many more DIYs in store. Thanks for watching.